Bajato Automotive Lighting presents LG043 LED Rear Fog Lamp Assembly for Universal Applications. You can use it as a hazard lamp and a tail lamp. Also, it has multiple applications. It can be used at the back of the truck or any vehicle. You can see there is a clamp here. With the help of this clamp, you can fit this lamp onto the truck or trailers. It can hold like this. There is a flanged nut. There is the bolt. With the help of this bolt, this clamp can be fitted onto the truck and trailer. There are different kinds of functions available in this lamp. One is the flickering function and second is the fixed function lamp. This LED lamp has a very reliable and good quality SMD inside. Now we connect the lamp to the power supply. This one is the flickering function lamp. I have connected to the 24-volt power supply. This is available with 12 volts and 24 volts both. Now we show you the fixed function. You can see this is the static function and this is a flickering function. You can put at the back of the truck and trailer and also universal application. These available in both 12 volts, 24 volts and 12 volts to 24 volts range voltage. This lamp is also available in clear color. When you buy this product, you get Bajato commitment of reliability, quality and value for money.